Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we are giving Absolute Zero a much needed upgrade. There are a couple of things that he already owned, but most of the things are new. The components which he already owned include the Ryzen 5 5600X, Western Digital SN550 SSD as his boot drive, and the motherboard, which is the MSI B550-A PRO. Everything else is brand new. All the things got delivered today. So today we'll be building him his new PC. Because the old cabinet was choking his processor and the O11 Dynamic is a pretty sick looking case. With that out of the way, let's take a closer look at the parts we chose from the build. I already told you guys about the processor, which is the 5600X, and the motherboard, which is the B550-A PRO. We got him components for a full white build. The case we'll be using is the O11 Dynamic in white, which is my dream case, and hopefully I'll be able to get one for myself soon. For the AIO, we went with the Lian Galahad 360. A little bit overkill for the 5600X, but you definitely need a 360mm AIO for the O11 Dynamic to make the case look the best it can. The mouse he's using is the G Pro wireless. I also own and use the same mouse. His boot drive is the 500GB Western Digital SN550 NVMe SSD. The RAM we got for him is a 3200MHz kit. We initially wanted to get him a 3600MHz kit, but we couldn't find anything that would look good with the build in white, and if we found anything in white that would look good with the case, it was out of budget, so we got him the XPG D50 3200MHz. Those are two 8GB sticks. The case can house a total of 9 fans, and 3 of the fans come with the AIO. For the remaining 6 fans, we went with the Cooler Master. Let me just turn this around. Cooler Master MF120 Halo. Those are good looking fans and are going to look sick with the case. Except for the motherboard, everything is in white, even the AIO. Yeah, I know, on the box it is displayed as black, but the cooler is actually in white. The prices of GPUs are falling rapidly, so he's going to wait a little bit to get his GPU. Before we start a build, let me give you a close-up of all the components. Now that you've seen all the parts, let's start the build. the build is complete, and let's turn this PC on for the first time. That looks really good, and the PC turned on the first push of the power button. That's a relief. Now let's enjoy how good the build looks together.